Hi, I'm Deb Kelch from Finish Well Health Coaching, and today we're going to do a little experiment. Never done this before, making perfume from fresh flowers. Let's do it. So I'm in my front yard now, and we're getting ready to cut some flowers. So I'm going to cut these off here. I have a measuring cup here. This is 2 cups. That's about how much we'll need. So I'm just gonna put these in here. Now I have here a bowl with a lid, an organic cloth. You can also use cheesecloth if you have that. That would probably be better. And I have my flowers. This is the bottle I'll be using. It's got a dropper. You can use a bottle from vanilla extract or whatever you can find. So I'm going to take my bowl and I'm going to put my cloth in here like that. And I'm going to pour the flowers in here. Got my flowers. Now I'm going to use some filtered water, so we don't want those toxic chemicals. And I'm going to fill my bowl. Remember, the skin is the largest organ of the body. You don't want to put toxic chemicals on your skin because it bypasses all of your filters. It bypasses your entire digestive tract and it goes right into your bloodstream. And you don't want that. At least if you ingest it, it goes through your digestive system and your liver and your kidneys. You still shouldn't do that either, but okay. Filling our bowl. Now, you want to make sure the water covers the flowers. And we're going to soak this overnight. We're going to put the lid on. And we'll come back tomorrow and finish it up. Okay, I soaked this overnight. I'm going to take my water with the flowers in it. And I'm going to lift it out of here. Oops. Okay, this is what I have. Smells fantastic. Now, if you want a stronger smell, You can use essential oils. These are the ones I have. I have lavender, geranium, rose, lilac, and jasmine. These are the ones I thought would go the best with the scent that we have created. But first I'm going to try it without and see how it works. I'm kind of sensitive to smells, so if you are sensitive to smells, this might be the right perfume for you. I'm going to pour this into my saucepan, and I'm going to heat it up on medium. So this is very fragrant. I can still smell the flowers. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn off the heat and I'm going to let this cool off. And after it cools, I'll put it in my bottle. And I've narrowed it down to 2 oils that I think would be the best. I'm only going to use these if I have to, because I think it takes away from the scent of the flowers, the perfume that we just made. So I'm only going to use these if I need to. Got my bottle ready. This is all cooled off right now. And I'm going to pour it right in. There. There you have it. Now, if you want, you can decorate your bottle and pretty it up. I have found a sticker to put on here so that I know what it is. Always important to label what you have.